Welcome to the Atfal UK Charity Challenge tutorial video. The aim of this video is to help Atfal and other fundraisers for the Charity Challenge to create their own fundraising page and link it to the regional team. The first step is to click the regional team page that can be shared by your local or regional Nazim. Once you get here, it will give you an option to create your own fundraiser. Please select this option. It will then prompt you to select your cause. Here you will type MAA Model Village, and the Charity Challenge page will pop up. Please select this and continue. You will then be asked for the type of fundraising event you are doing. Please select Describe your own event. Then using the drop-down list, please select an appeal for a charity. The event name could just be something as simple as Charity Challenge Fundraiser, and you do not need to mention a date at this point. Please press Continue to proceed. On the next page, you will have your target. Please select something appropriate. Bear in mind, if you are a Charity Challenge champion, then you will aim to fundraise at least £500 over the course of the year. It also gives you an option to make a custom URL or web page for your fundraiser. We recommend something along the lines of charity-challenge- whatever your full name is. So if your name is Fahad Ahmed, it would be charity-challenge-Fahad Ahmed. Please select the Opt Me In option and proceed to continue. On the next page, you are asked about your gift aid related questions. Most of you will be just asking for donations rather than selling items, so please select No for the first item. And for the next option, you can also select No. Then you can finally select the Create My Page option, and you're all done. If you have any other queries or any other problems associated with creating this page, feel free to contact your local Nazim or regional Nazim. Alternatively, you can also contact someone from the National Charity Challenge team. Good luck, and let's hope you achieve your target.